Religious festivals. As we know that religious festivals are celebrated by people of that particular religion. In this chapter we will learn about the religious festivals that are Holi, Dashera, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, Guru Parv and Eid. Holi. It is also known as the festival of colors. Bonfires are lit on the evening of this festival, which is known as Holika Dahan. During this festival, people play with colored powder, which is called gulal. This festival marks the end of winters, and crops like wheat, gram, mustard are harvested. Dashera. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana, so this festival marks the victory of good over evil. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. Ram Leela is staged on these days. Many fairs are held at different places. In West Bengal, this fest is celebrated as Durga Puja. Diwali, also known as the festival of lights. Let's learn why Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Children, Diwali is an important festival of Hindus. It is believed that after killing Ravana, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. So people decorated their houses with diyas. That's why it is known as the festival of lights, because they lighted their houses. Lord Ganesha and goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day. Children burn crackers on Diwali night and celebrate this festival with great joy and enthusiasm. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. Do you know why we celebrate Christmas? The birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated as Christmas. In order to celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ, we celebrate Christmas every year. A special song known as carols are sung on this festival and people decorate Christmas tree. Prayers are held in the churches and children, they feel very excited during this festival. Do you know why? Because Santa Claus brings gift for the children. Raksha Bandhan. This festival marks the holy bond between a brother and a sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. The word Raksha means protection. So, the brother promises their sisters to protect them. And the word Bandhan means to tie or bond. Sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. They exchange gifts with each other on this day. Eid ul Fitr. This is the most important festival of Muslims. It is celebrated to thank God for the successful completion of the holy month of Ramzan. Ramzan is considered to be an auspicious month in which the Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. On this day, people wear new clothes and offer prayers at mosque. They wish each other Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called Sivai is prepared on this festival. Eid ul Zuha, which is also known as the festival of sacrifice. A goat or a lamb is sacrificed on this festival. 1/3 of the meat goes to poor and the rest go to the holiday feast. Buddha Jayanti. The festival is celebrated to mark the birthday of Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha was born on a full moon day, so his birthday is also called Buddha Purnima. This day also marks the day when he got enlightenment. Enlightenment means when he got spiritual knowledge. Mahavir Jayanti. The festival is celebrated to mark the birthday of Lord Mahavira. This festival is celebrated by Jains, as Lord Mahavira was the founder of Jainism. Guru Parv. The birthday of Guru Nanak is celebrated as Guru Parv. Processions are taken out by people on this day. Procession means a kind of julus. People go to Gurudwara and offer prayers. A big mass meal is organized which is known as langar on this day. And do you know there were some important personalities whose birthday we still celebrate? For example, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan birthday, it is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Yes, the Teachers' Day that you celebrate, you pay respect to your teachers, you bring flowers, gifts and make cards for them. Do you know that on that day, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan birthday was there. He was a great teacher and later he became the President of India also. The next is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birthday we celebrate as Children's Day. So you all feel so happy on Children's Day. You feel so special that it is your day. You get gifts from school. Various programs are being organized for you. So Children's Day is celebrated because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birthday is there. He loved children. He used to love children. So his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day to honor him. Next is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, he was a great leader and he is also known as the father of nation. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Some important dates. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. As we know, on Teachers' Day, that is 5th September, it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The next is Children's Day. It is celebrated on 14th November. And on this day, we celebrate it as the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October, which marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi.